right, so you're going to click on the link and you're going to come to Crossword Labs and you're going to type in the title of your puzzle. So I'm going to type in Mrs. Francis Algebra 2 Puzzle. Then you're going to enter your words with a hint after each word. So for example, my word is parabola and my hint is a U-shaped curve. Or I'll do maybe the word slope. My hint is the average rate of change. All right, now you can't use those words because I'm using them in the demonstration. And then you can see there's a little preview down here, which is great. As soon as you're ready, everything is typed in. You're going to hit save and finish. So at this point, you want to print it as a PDF. So we're going to hit print. And we're going to go up to the top where it says print download as a PDF. And now I can hit the down arrow over here and that'll save it to your drive. And then you can upload that from there onto the Google Classroom. All right, I hope that helps. Enjoy working on the puzzle. Have a great day.